Hey there everybody, I just got this battery powered spray gun. So I'm super excited about it because I've got a fence where I don't want to have to try and drag my extension cord and have my other paint sprayer plugged in. So let's open it up and see what all it comes with. All right, here is everything that it comes with. It comes with an instruction manual, it comes with some gloves, it comes with your viscosity funnel, and this is really important actually for paint sprayers. You want to make sure that you have this and that you test the viscosity of whatever medium you're using your paint sprayer for. And so for an example, if you were using an oil enamel, you would want to fill this up and then time how long it takes to drain this out. An oil enamel would be 25 to 60 seconds. That's how long you want it to take for this to completely drain. And then if you're using an oil-based paint, you would want it to take 30 to 60 seconds for this to completely drain. So inside the instruction manual, it does have all the recommended times for this sprayer's viscosity. And it comes with different tips with different size orifices depending on what you're spraying. And all you have to do is unscrew this here. This pops off, this comes out, and it does come with plenty of gaskets for you to use. And then this is how you adjust whether you want to spray horizontally or if you want to spray vertically, is with this right here. It locks down and then it's not going to accidentally move on you. It also comes with a pipe cleaner. It comes with a pin to clean out these orifices just like this so you can get it real clean. And then it comes with 2 batteries for you to use as well as your sprayer itself. To attach these 2 parts, all you have to do is put it together, turns, and it locks in place. Now it's good to go. You've got your trigger here. This here is a knob to adjust how much airflow is coming out of your sprayer, depending if you're outside, what medium you're working with, or if you're inside. And then it has a variable speed sprayer, so you can control that. It's got a nice grip to it. All right, so I got this viscosity timer right here, and I got my stopwatch ready. This is a latex paint and primer. All I'm gonna do here is check the viscosity on it. It should be between 45 and 90 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down like this, fill up my cup, and then I'm going to start my timer. And so this is gonna determine, based on how fast this comes out, if I need to water this down to make it a little bit thinner to work well within the sprayer. So right now I'm at 40 seconds, 45. So that was the minimum amount that it needed to be, was at least 45. All right, so this is just a little bit too thick to go through the sprayer. All right, so I would say this took 2 minutes and 20 seconds to fully come out. Now I'm just gonna thin out this whole entire container because all I'm gonna use it for is spraying something for my kids, and so all I'm going to use it for is the spray gun, and whatever's left over will just be extra. And so I'm going to water it down just a little bit. I highly recommend, if you have a gallon size container, to put this in a sample cup and then thin out the sample cup for whatever you need, whatever amount you need, and then test it that way. I'm just going to use this whole thing regardless with the sprayer, so that's why I'm doing it this way. Now if I get it too thin, then it's not going to work right, but I'm okay with that. This is just a small quart size, and so I'm just going to water it down just a little bit, and now I'm going to mix it up and try it again. And then if I need to add some more, I'll add a little more water to it. All right, so I've thinned it out, and I'm going to test it again. I got my watch ready, and you can kind of see the difference of how well it's thinned out. It's going much faster this time. All right, I think that's good. It really does not take a lot of water to thin out paint, and so I highly recommend that you just test it and just see what works.